stop right there.
Huh?
I'll stop right there.
Okay. We can get around to where they got a shot at it.
Okay. Okay, well, if I back up to right here, you said you got
a permit from the Corps of Engineers, and they dug this out. Well, when they did, they created this dike. And they put all the vegetation and then put stuff on it, and this goes all the way around and hooks around and goes all the way, and you can stand at the end of Loomis Lake down there.
Yeah.
So I've been mowing that end of it from right here that way, and I had it all nice and everything. Well, then I thought, well, shit, I'll try to get a little bit more, and shouldn't have, because down here, that end's dry as a bone.
Well, what you
but
got
down here,
you got to wait till later in the year.
Right.
Because when it's just stuff dries out like concrete.
Right. Yeah.
I'm going to come back about another.
How far are we? Is that telling you how far we are, or are you just taking a picture?
I'll just video.
Oh, right on.
I'm going to come back about 10 more feet. Between that rope and my cable, I think we get right out. Your house isn't that far over there, is it? Hell, you're probably only, what, 150 feet to your house? Huh?
Well, normally, when I chain it up, I hook right here.
What you got?
So that'll work.
You got a ring right there? How big a ring is it?
Oh, it's...
The only thing I'm going to do, because I got all my